Hi guys, and today I'm going to play some more Demolition free tournament mode. Sorry for that. So anyway, I fought this track called Prison Escape for like 71.8, but it turned out that's actually 14.3 kilometers. It's a weird glitch. Okay. I'm going to go with the police car. That's the most ironic thing ever. Alright, let's wait for this little 15 seconds. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. All right, let's get the show on the road, and let's do this. Alright, we're pulling off to an early lead here. Thank goodness. Whoa. Oh, crap. No. Sorry, the background. Oh, God. Stupid box. And I know they were supposed to get one of those boxes into a little holes to open up like a vault or something. I've tried it and I've done it before, but I'm not going to do it again. Alright. I'm doing pretty good so far. Thankfully, I think it's at 3 o'clock.
Is that what he said?
No, he didn't say anything yet. I don't know. I'm just playing a game right now.
Well, Andy didn't pick you up here and he said he could.
Okay. It's kind of a little behind the scenes right there, and I'm just failing. But don't worry, I'll get my speed back up. Oh my lord, this is so narrow. Oh crap. Okay, now we go this way. Alright, that was a fun track. I liked it. I don't know what it's called, serious. But anyway, last track I'm gonna go with my boy, the Stinger. I like the Stinger and the Stormer, like on looks, because they look pretty awesome. And oh boy. No. Okay, we're good. Let's do this. Alright, final race. That's serious. Because they couldn't have thought of a better name for some reason, but alright then. We're just traveling through the city. Well, we're racing through the city, if anything. Whoa, okay. I think I played this track before. Yeah, I definitely played this track before. Whoa. Oh god. Yep. Oh. What? Oh, crap. Hang on, guys. Oh. Okay, so my dad called me. So now the game, well, I mean, it kind of crashed, but don't worry about it. We can still do this. The game gives me another chance, which I was doing just fine, so I don't really see why, but okay. I'm sorry if you heard, like, all that, because sometimes the camera doesn't like to pause whenever I pause the thing. I just really hate when it happens, you know. Okay. Thank God I didn't screw that up. Whoa! Dang it. I'm doing pretty good so far, though. I mean, I'm in the lead. Whoa, it's supposed to go this way. Okay, I almost hit that light post thing. Feels like didn't. Alright. We're over halfway. Oh, okay, that was close. Whoa. Ooh, God. Oh, God. Ooh, crap. That was close. Alright, so we're finally at the end of tournament mode. Well, for now, they're probably still gonna add. So we'll actually have a different, like a different trophy now, huh? That's cool. I will change to like the regular card trophy for some weird reason, but okay, we have a new trophy sprite now. So okay, so I unlocked a new car now, so I'm just gonna customize. Well, if anything, I'm doing it off camera. So bye guys, and see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.